Welcome to Crafty Little Beach. This is Julie. Today I have a Dollar Tree DIY for you. So we're going to decorate a tier tray with a bee theme. It's definitely one of my favorite themes for a tier tray. This is the tier tray we're going to be DIYing today. The first thing I'm going to do is make a little mini banner. I love a little mini banner for any kind of a tier tray. And I found this great yellow and black striped ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This was just in the crafter square, but I thought it would be perfect for a bee theme. And what I want to do is cut out some little triangle shapes like that. I can actually use the finished part of the ribbon on the edges for a nice top on these. And I just want to cut down some little triangular pieces to make a little mini pennant banner. I love to hang that on one of the tiers. It's a fun way to dress up your tier tray. You can also wrap them with ribbon. My rectangular wood tier trays, though, I think they look a little bit better when you kind of have something going across the front of one of the tiers like this. It's going to be a very simple little pennant banner. Once I get them all cut down, I just take a piece of twine that I cut down to size for the front of my tier, and I'm just going to attach them with hot glue, trying to make sure that they're evenly spaced out. And then I can attach that to my tier tray with just a dot of hot glue on each side. Pretty lightweight and an easy way to attach it. Whenever I do pennant banners like this, I try to do an odd number. Think that it looks better when you have an odd number, so 3 or 5 or something like that. So I'm going to do 5 for this one. Little bee mini banner, super cute, and we can start decorating the tier tray. This is how I attached it to the top tier. For filler, I'm going to use a little bit of greenery. I got this greenery at Dollar Tree. I think it's so cute. And I thought I could cut it into some little pieces here to make some fun foliage for this tier tray. But I didn't want to cut it into too many pieces. I kind of like the fact that it's a vine like this. I'm going to put like one piece up here on the top tier. I think that looks really cute, and I can use the rest on the bottom. The next item, I don't even have to craft. I got this as a Target dollar spot. It's a little beehive, and it's got like a wood finish. I think it's so cute, and it's just the right size for a tier tray, so we're going to add this here. And I had a couple items I got at Target dollar spot for this one. Now, this one I actually got at my grocery store. It's my little honey pot. I love this thing, but when I was carrying it from here, showing you, I tripped and I broke the top of it, which I was devastated. I had a little bee on there. Here's the remaining pieces of my honey pot. I was so sad, but you know what? It's still cute even without it. It's a little honey pot, and you have like the little honey dipper that came with it too. So I'm still going to use it and put it on the tier tray as well. This item I also got at the Target dollar spot. It's like a little wicker bee. It was $3, but I couldn't pass it up. It's super cute, and I thought it would be the perfect size for a tier tray. And it's kind of like a seagrass material that's all braided in like a tan and like a dark brown. I think it's really cute. I'm just going to trim it up, and this little guy is ready to go. Isn't it adorable? I love it, and I didn't even have to make it, so that makes it even better. I'm going to put it right there, kind of hanging off the side a little bit like he's getting ready to fly away from this bee-themed tier tray. And then, of course, I got to move him a few more times until he's just right. For a little bit more filler, I'm going to use some of these asters from the Dollar Tree. They are a white and yellow flower, so I thought they'd be perfect for the bee theme. I'm just going to give them a quick blow dry to make them look a little bit better, taking them off the stems like this, and I can just kind of scatter these around the tier tray to use as filler. And I love using greenery and flowers and stuff like that on a tier tray. It gives it such a fun feel, especially for spring. These were definitely bent up, so they needed quite a bit of a little blow dry, but after I was done with them, they looked way better. I'm going to go ahead and use all of them. I think I will need that when I'm doing both tiers. So I'm going to place one right over here in front of the honey pot. It's not too tall. You can still kind of see the items behind it. I don't want to cover up too much stuff. And then maybe one back here in the middle where I didn't really have anything. And the top tier is complete of the bee themed tier tray. So let's start DIYing the bottom. I have more of that vine there from the Dollar Tree that I'm using as filler. I love like kind of the ferny nature of this. I think it's really pretty. I just want that to kind of lay flat. The next item I got at the Dollar Tree, a little Be Humble sign. Isn't this so cute? It is the perfect size for a tier tray. You really don't have to do anything to it. It's painted nicely, it stands on its own, and I love the colors. So we're gonna add that little Dollar Tree sign back here. It's tall enough to be a back piece. It's gonna fill that up nicely and have some greenery in front. The next item is a little bee planter I got from the Dollar Tree. It's bright yellow with black bee stripes and a little bee on there. It's so busy that I didn't really want to do like busy flowers or anything with it. I thought maybe just some greenery. So I'm going to use some of this like vine garland from the Dollar Tree and kind of DIY like a faux plant. To do that, I just kind of take it all and spiral it all together, but first, I'm going to go ahead and take it off the wire. It made it a little bit easier to work with, but I want to fill up most of the pot with something else. I'm going to use one of those little styrofoam pieces like this. That will fill it up a little bit, but you know what? I have this leftover wire, so I might as well use that for filler too. So it's kind of a bigger pot. I put that on there. I put the foam on top. Now I don't need near as much of this greenery. I'm just going to cut off the ends of this and start putting this together to make a little faux plant. I thought I could like cut off the little stems and place it down into the foam. It'll look like a little house plant, but using some Dollar Tree greenery, it was super easy to do. Just your stems are not really sharp, so I noticed that if I kind of poked it with one of those little screwdrivers first, I can make a little hole there and I could go in and add the greenery to it. I think it'll be a nice simple little faux house plant. Lord knows I don't need any houseplants because I can't keep them alive, but I think that this will be really cute. At first, I was going to leave them all attached and just kind of spiral it along, but I think it does look better if you take the time and take the greenery off and put them in individually like that into little sections. But it filled up this little planter nicely. I'm going to use a little bit of Spanish moss so you can't see any of the foam in there. And we have a great little house plant to go on the tier tray and a bright yellow bee pot. Super cute. It fits perfectly right down here at the bottom, and I'm going to use that towards the back. It's just the right size. The next item I found at the Dollar Tree is a little bee gnome. They have so many cute ones. This one, he's holding a little beehive. It's so cute, and he has a bee on his other hand. Sometimes they are not painted the best or they're chipped up a little bit, so you might need to take the time to kind of touch up the paint on these. But this one wasn't too bad. This one kind of had a scratched up nose and hands, so I gave it a little bit of paint, but he's really cute on his own, and I love using these little bee gnomes from the Dollar Tree for a tier tray. The next item is a little bee candle that I found at the Dollar Tree. It has a yellow candle in there. It's clear glass and it has a little bee on it. Isn't this so adorable? It's absolutely perfect size for a tier tray. The colors are great. I absolutely love it. And then I decided I wanted you to be able to see the bee even more. So I decided to use a black paint pen and just kind of, paint over the top of that. It's embossed. And you could see it when it wasn't in a tier tray, but I felt like that once I got in the tier tray, you wouldn't be able to see the cute little bee on there. So I decided to sketch it out the best that I could here, kind of switching to a fine tip there for the leg, so it's not too thick, but you can definitely tell it's a bee now. Maybe a few little stripes on here, some yellow stripes, and now that looks like a really perfect little bee candle for the tier tray. Isn't that so cute? I put the lid back on so it would keep the scent in there, and then I'm going to put that right here in the front. The next item is one of these little stone signs. It's like a garden sign from the Dollar Tree. They have lots of these in different varieties for a bee theme. You could use this. You can also use the little stepping stones. This one is so cute. It's got a little beehive. It's got some bees on there and a flower. Again, sometimes these aren't painted the best and you might want them to look a little bit better. I love the shape of the sign though. So I'm just going to use my paint pen and touch up the bee. You can also like change the color of things if you want, like the flowers and stuff like that. But a quick little touch up, and this is a perfect size sign for a tier tray. And I definitely think the flowers look better in white and yellow. It kind of goes with the flowers that I used on there. And this is how it looks after I gave it a quick little makeover. And I think it's going to be perfect as a leaner sign here against the center pole of my tier tray. Very cute, just like that. Then we can use the rest of those flowers for filler. We've already got the greenery down there. Kind of scatter those around wherever. Kind of need something here for this bee-themed tier tray. Isn't it so cute? This was such an easy DIY. I found a couple items at Target Dollar Spot. The honey pot actually came from my grocery store. It's Rae Dunn. And then the rest of the items, of course, are from the Dollar Tree. Let me give you a little look around and show you how cute this turned out. I think I've done maybe three different bee-themed tier trays on my channel, maybe four. I don't know. I definitely have to do one every year because they're so much fun. And some of the items I like to reuse, like the honey pot and stuff like that. Isn't that so cute?